welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica J. If you like home decor and lifestyle, please consider subscribing. And to all my return subscribers, hello, how are you? Today we're gonna go back to the basics, you guys. We are gonna go shopping at HomeGoods and we're gonna be looking at decor. No Christmas stuff this time, you guys. I am actually done with Christmas and now I'm looking for gifts to give to people, and I want to put together personalized gift boxes for my friends and families. But I'm also going to show you guys other items just in case you're interested and see what HomeGoods has right now, just in case you want to find stuff for your home or gifts for your loved ones as well. By the way, I would love it if you guys follow me on Instagram. My name on there is MyJessicaJ. So if you guys want to go shopping with me at HomeGoods, then keep watching. All right, you guys, we're back and I want to show you guys the little goodies that I got. I didn't get a whole lot, but like I said, I'm looking for items that I can build in a gift box for my friends and family. I feel like HomeGoods has such great quality stuff and very unique stuff, perfect for gift giving if you guys are trying to save money. I think that you guys should definitely check out HomeGoods, but I feel like you guys already know about HomeGoods and you probably go regularly if you're watching my channel. If not, then, you know, I'm just showing you guys what they have. So if you're interested, you can go out to your HomeGoods and see what your HomeGoods has to offer. So I want to show you guys the first item that I got. Now, I've been seeing a few of my interior design friends over on Instagram post about these, and I've been seeing them early on, but I didn't think much of it. I wasn't really ready to shop for the holidays for my loved ones yet, but I'm ready now, and let me show you guys what I picked up. I got these Ralph Lauren glasses, and these are absolutely beautiful and they're such a great price. I picked these up for $4.99. That is insane. I didn't have to look online to see how much they were going online, and I didn't see this specific style exactly, but I saw a few other styles, and these things are going for like $36 each. I saw $36 for one. I saw a 2-pack for like $98. You can use these as a regular drinking glass. You can use these as a cocktail glass. These are perfect for gift giving. You can give these with other items and make it really a substantial gift, or you can give these alone since these are such a great value. You're saving so much money getting these at HomeGoods, you guys. Anyone who receives these will absolutely love these. I picked up a total of 8 of those glasses, so those will be definitely going as gifts, and hopefully, you know, my loved ones aren't really watching this video because yeah, this might be spoiler alerts for them, but anything for you guys. I'm showing you guys what they have so you guys can go ahead and get your hands on these awesome items too. I really have entertaining on the mind because I got another set of glasses. These are, I think it's pronounced Crosono, and this is what the box looks like right here. These are very similar to a style that Crate and Barrel actually carries, but look how beautiful these glasses are. This came in a set of 6, and this box was $14.99. And on the box, it says that it's made from premium crystalline glass, which means you don't have to worry about lead when you're serving alcohol in these seeping through. So that's what you have to worry about with crystal glasses. But with the crystalline glass, you still get that very clear, and these are kind of dirty and you know, smudgy because I have my hands all over them, but you really get that beautiful, high quality, very transparent glass, but you don't have to worry about lead if that's what you're concerned about. So these are actually very nice glasses. I love how it has that air bubble on the bottom. Another item I got is this glass pitcher right here. I actually don't own a pitcher, so I don't know if I was gonna keep this for myself or give this away as a gift. You can put flowers in here, and this is a great way to serve your drinks for the holidays. So this is a great gift idea, and this is also by the Crosono brand, and this one was $12.99. So beautiful. Minus my handprints all over, you guys, sorry about that. So I got a decor item, and you guys, I wasn't shopping for myself, and I don't feel too bad because it was a very inexpensive item, but I've been looking for some type of bust to go in my house, but I needed something to go with my style and my aesthetic, and I needed to make sure it wasn't gonna be too big. I need something smaller, but sleek and beautiful. And I cannot believe I found this horse bust right here. Look how beautiful that thing is. This thing is heavy. I think it's made from marble. This thing was only $12.99. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. And you can just tell that it's hand carved. You can see like all the carving marks in it. And it says that it was handcrafted in India. But I just absolutely love this, and I cannot wait to display this item right here. Okay, and I got this bag of chai tea. I had to keep down a little bit. I plan on putting this in a gift box with this item I got from Target, which is this little tea infusers. This is a loose leaf tea. You just open this up, grab the tea, and put it in your mug of hot water. I plan on putting this in a gift box with some mugs, with also this honey pot from, I think it's from CB2. I ordered it a little bit ago. It's on back order, which it said it'll be here by mid-December. Hopefully it'll be here for Christmas, so it can go in this gift box. And the last item I got, which is also from Target, which are these salad claws from the Hearth and Hand collection. And I just thought these were beautiful. They are made of stone. Ooh, the light. They're made of stone. And I just thought they were really beautiful. And this would go, I feel like, with anybody's aesthetic. It's just a very neutral color. I feel like this will go great in a gift box with some other items. But yeah, I just think this is so beautiful. All right, so that is everything. If you guys enjoyed this shop with me and haul, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.